Now, I guess if you're looking into material, a great suggestion for a material to at least consider or a product to consider would be the Simonton 6500 Vantage Point. It's a double hung window, which basically means that it has a independently moving double sash, upper and lower. It also has a Fibrex composite frame, which has air pockets in it to add to the insulation properties, as well as a double pane technology with an argon gas fill and there's also a UV protectant in the glass that prevents it allows the light in the house, but it prevents the heat from transferring into the house. As well as it has simple hardware, locking hardware on the window. In some cases, we have a tilt sash, which actually lets the window tilt in for upper levels of the house, which makes it ease of use. With the Fibrex coating on the window, it also makes it for low maintenance. Doesn't have to be repainted or touched up or any issues like that. Thank you very much.